paper planes! Let's make a cat with animated eyes. For this, we require 2 pieces of paper. At first, we will take a paper and fold it like a card. Now, on the top of the card, why don't we start making this cat? Well, you can start making any other cartoon character if you wish to. Let's start by making a rectangular face and the triangular ears. After that, why don't we give it a unicorn horn? That's lovely. Now, let's make the cat's body. Well, you can start making the entire thing with a pencil first and then sketch it. Once we are done with the body, we can now make the tail. Why don't we make the tail like a unicorn? This would be perfect. Now, let's make 2 circles for the eyes. And then, erase all the pencil marks. Let's make the mouth, the eyebrows, and then insert a paper behind it. Now it's time for us to cut on top of this circle. So, let's mark it a little darker with a pencil. And once we get a point, we can put our scissor there and cut it. You can use a smaller scissor or be very careful while cutting with the bigger one. Let's complete cutting the entire circle. Now, it's time for us to color the entire cat. Or whichever cartoon you've made. You can use a sketch pen or crayons to do so. Let's color this with attractive colors. Make sure you try and color in one direction. Before you start, you need to make a proper outline for your entire drawing. Let's color this entirely. Now, why don't we color the unicorn horn? This looks great. Now it's time for us to insert a paper behind this. And then on top of that paper, why don't we start making the eyes? Let's make big and attractive eyes. Why don't we color it with blue as well? Once we're done with that, our animated eyes are ready. Why don't we start moving it? This looks great!
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.